Right on, Quack.
Get your morning bath. Eating their broccoli, lettuce.
They're fast eaters. These guys go. Beep, beep. Beep. Hi, guys.
What are you eating?
Huh? Yeah, boys. Yeah, we fill the tub up a bit. Some broccoli, some spinach, whatever else you like. You just devour it. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, boys.
I can get some tail feathers on them.
Yeah, look at that. Tail feathers. Alright, say bye. Bye-bye.